Yo, what up, simps? It's your boy, back with another video. And before we get into this one, I just want to leave a little disclaimer for all of you. This video is intended for entertainment purposes only, so that basically means if your dumbass goes and kills someone, it's not my fucking fault. Now moving on to the video. Tip number 1, hide the weapon. This might seem extremely obvious, but you wouldn't believe how many dumbasses like yourself go out and kill someone, and then they just leave the weapon in their car or on the side of the road. Like, autist. Remember when you were little and your parents were like, I want you to leave this place exactly how it was when you came. Basically, that's how you want to leave the crime scene. Because if you don't, well, I'm assuming you guys have seen CSI Miami. It's like that, but it's like 300 times worse. You guys are fucked. Tip number 2. Be a woman. Fuck. That was the wrong tip. No witnesses. This is also probably really fucking obvious, and you're like, why the fuck did I click on this bullshit? But, kid, come over here. Over here, let me tell you something. Here. Come a little closer. You can't be convicted of a crime no one saw you commit. Dumbass. Tip number 3. Be a woman. In the US, men receive 63% longer prison sentences on average than women do. And women are also twice as likely to avoid incarceration if convicted. This is based on US federal court cases, so this isn't just shit I made up. What this basically means is if you're a guy, you're kind of fucked. So yeah.
Big unlucky.
Also, if you're black, you're like triple fucked, bro. You're going to prison for your whole life, and your kids are going to prison for you when you die. So yeah, just don't be black or a male. So yeah. Tip number 4, wear gloves. Please, whatever criminal activities you're up to, wear gloves. Even if it's selling dope out your mama Honda in the church parking lot, please wear gloves. Because otherwise you're fucked, dude. If they find like the tiniest bit of DNA, you're going to prison for like your whole life. So just watch out with that one, alright, buddy? Tip number 5, don't leave behind any incriminating evidence, like so personal items. I'm gonna have to edit that one out. DNA, hair, any of that shit. That shit will like be traced straight back to you, bro. And like before you can say I'm not guilty, you're gonna be tied up in a federal penitentiary, bent over backwards over a sink, while a very muscular African American man whispers into your ear. So yeah, just don't do that shit, bro. Tip number 6. Haha, 6 rhymes with sex. Whatever weapon you committed the crime with, if it's a knife, you need to put it in a tub of bleach overnight. That will wash off any of the DNA or blood traces. Will basically make it really fucking hard for the forensic labs. Basically make it really fucking hard It'll basically make it really hard for the forensic lab to like, you know, find out who the fuck you are. And if it's a gun, well, it's a little bit harder. You kind of need to dismantle that whole fucking thing. You, like, destroy that shit, run it over with your Hummer 3 or 4 times. Then I want you to go to your local park and bury the remains 10 feet deep. Yeah, that might sound like a lot of work, but sitting in a cell for the rest of your life is a lot worse. Number 7. If you plan on doing anything illegal, make sure you do it by yourself, because the first chance the police get, they're gonna offer your buddy or whoever the fuck you did it with a plea deal. And your friend's gonna take it. I don't care how loyal that motherfucker is. They're gonna show your pal, your great buddy, that he's looking into 25 to life, and he's gonna tell them everything. Only 3 can keep a secret if 2 of them are dead like shit. Benjamin Franklin. Just keep that in mind. Number 8. Don't tell anyone when you do something. Basically, when you start telling other people, then they start telling other people, and then you kind of get fucked, because then they tell the wrong person, and that person goes to the police or whatever. It's like when you were in elementary school and that one kid told everyone else that you were holding hands with another guy, but you weren't. It was just like a prank. It was just an accident. And then everyone knew. Yeah, let's just move on. Number 9. Leave your phone at home. And this also ties into any electronic with like GPS, because then people can see your location and see where you were at the time of the crime. So if you have a phone, which I assume every one of you motherfuckers do, leave that shit at home. If you have an Apple Watch, leave that shit at home. If it's on a mechanical watch, leave that shit at home. If it has a GPS, leave that shit at home. Motherfucker, trust me, they will catch your ass because you slipped up and you had something on you, and everyone could see your snap map and see where you were going at the time of the whatever the fuck you were doing. So Dumbass, leave that shit at home. That's pretty much all we got time for today. So wait, hold up. Fuck. There's a little fucking kid yelling outside my fucking window. Here, I'll be right back. Let me grab the baseball bat. God damn it. Hey guys, that's pretty much all we got time for today. So I'll see you guys next one. Fucking damn it. Shit. Peace.
Molly.
I just fucked the plane, finna settle in the field. Yeah, slime little bitch, I know you're not real. I'ma spend my money on guns and pills. In Atlanta with a bitch, and the bitch on pill. I'm on that lean little bitch, keep the bitch out of the